I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Of course, sirens start as soon as I'm trying to start my vlog. Hi, baby. Yeah, these sirens are no joke. Hi. Okay, anyway. Hi, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day. What's today? 4. Molly, do you not see that I'm in the middle of something here? Okay. It is so cold. Today when I woke up, I was like freezing, so I pumped the heat up to 72. Just to try to get some like nice warmth going in here. Okay, yeah. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it is rainy and cold and gross out today. So I don't know what really the plans are. Tara and I do have plans to do a work day. So we'll see if that happens. I don't know, weather like this, sometimes it's like more trouble than it's worth to like get in an Uber and go somewhere. Like traffic is worse. People are just worse drivers. What? Why do you have your butt up so high? Anyway, so TBD, I went and got myself a coffee here because I needed something nice and warm this morning. It's also early. I never start the vlog this early. Yeah, it's 8:47 a.m. Every other vlog would start at like 10. But we're up, we're out of bed. And we're cuddling with a cute little cat who is clearly obsessed with me right now. I'm going to put the finishing touches on the Vlogmas episode for today. My main channel video for today is already set up, so that's good. And I'll check in with you guys in a little bit here.
Tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
I literally have Molly all tucked in here. Because she just feels so cold. Whenever I touch her, her coat is so cold. And I don't want you to be cold. I want you to be nice and toasty warm with me. What do you think? Look at her little face. So cute. It's really cold today, you guys. It's like cold today, guys. Not actually like cold. Please don't yell at me in the comments for saying that it's cold. I swear I know that's colder other places. But it doesn't mean that it's not cold here. We're California girls, me and Molly Cat. We can't take it. Let's see, what time is it? It is 10:30. I got the vlog up. And then Molly crawled on and I was like, I'll take a little break and snuggle with her. But it's back to work for me very soon. Just gonna let Molly sit here for a little bit longer. I just looked so many places to try to find my heating pad for Molly Cat. Finally found it. She loves this thing. I try to bring it out when the weather gets colder here. Totally forgot about it, and then I remembered yesterday, and I just had to find it to give to her. And I'll just wait for it to warm up a little, and then I'll put her on it, and she is going to love it. Look who found the heating pad all on her own. Does that feel nice? I think it'll be warmer. Yeah, we'll turn it up to high for ya. Do you think someone's enjoying her heating pad? Look at how red her ear is. She must be on fire. Molly, are you okay? How hot is this thing? Are you like... Let me feel your ear. Oh my god, it's so hot, Molly. What is going on? Are you loving this though? Yeah? You look so nice and toasty and comfy. I'm glad I pulled this out for you. Such a good girl. So Tara and I talked about it and we were like, okay, we'll go to Bluestone for a little work day. We honestly debated back and forth for a little bit just because it is so rainy, and apparently it's even worse on the west side, which makes sense because they're closer to the ocean. But over here it's looking a little bit better. Tara said it's going to start to clear up over there. Plus we also had plans tonight to do a little wine and cheese night. I was like, ugh, I sort of want to stay home, but Vlogmas, it'll be more interesting if I leave the house. I'm just gonna do like a really quick, lazy makeup tutorial, just to like fix up my face a little bit since we are hanging out with the girls later. But for the most part, what do I care? This is the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo, by the way. I really like this one. I just think it blends pretty easily all in all. Pretty sure is this colored? I don't know. But it doesn't go on like purely white, which makes it a lot easier to blend. Here we go. Good as new. Took me like 2 seconds to do this, like probably 5 minutes total. That's how I like to get ready. That is for sure. Dope. I don't know exactly when Tara and I are heading out, but I just wanted to like get my shit together a little bit here and then be ready to go whenever. It is 12:30. I'm assuming Tara and I will probably head out soonish. Let me ask her, what time are you thinking for a meeting? But I need to record an audition really quickly, another voiceover audition. I'm going to do that. This is a dubbing project. I've actually never auditioned for a dubbing project before. I'm pretty sure this is a Spanish film that's being created. And so they're gonna dub it for the US, obviously. Should be really easy. It's just a couple of lines. I feel like every time I show myself recording a voiceover thing, it's for like an animated character, and so I'm making weird ass faces all the time. So I have to like contort my face to do weird voices. But this is just a normal little girl. So I'm just gonna be talking. So just the normal weird faces that I make. Testing, testing, testing. It is so quiet. There you go. Audition complete. I've been getting so many packages for my Black Friday shopping. I have like a big pile back here. And I don't know what to do with any of it because literally none of it is for me. It is all gifts that I bought for other people. And I just got a notification that I have 3 more packages downstairs. I'm pretty sure one of them is something that my mom sent me, which I would be very excited about. And then the other 2, I just don't even know. I literally don't know what to do with them. Like, should I wrap them and like put them under my tree? Then I feel like Molly's gonna end up fucking with them. I don't know. She is just a queen over here on her heating pad. Hi, just me saying hi. Cutie. Anyway, I wanted to have a quick convo with you guys, just because I feel like I've been in like a bit of a rut lately. I don't think it's been showing in my videos, but if it is, like I guess I just wanted to put it out there, or if it ever does. I don't know, I'm just feeling like a little down on myself, down on my work, down on my success. It's just tough sometimes. Like even I think back to like 3 years ago, and it was just like my YouTube was growing really quickly. I was getting really wonderful views, and then it just like stopped literally overnight. Like you can go onto my channel and look at my like views from 3-ish years ago or something like that, and then like one video has like 50,000 views and the next has like 10. And then from then on, it was just like low views consistently. And it was just literally like a switch flipped. I didn't change anything. I didn't change my content. I didn't change my thumbnails, nothing. And then I've just been trying since then to like grow again. And it's just been frustrating. I feel like I put a lot of time and love and energy into what I do. And it's discouraging to not see results like I would like to. And it's honestly even like embarrassing to admit. It's like when I say it out loud, it makes it real. And it's not like everyone doesn't know. Everyone knows, just you can take a look. It's a rut that I don't know how to get out of. I've been in it for a long time now. And I just can't figure it out. But I don't know, maybe saying it out loud, like admitting the problem is the first step to fixing it. Not that I haven't admitted it to myself, but I don't know, maybe somehow that will help. I don't know. Feeling very stuck. Is it just about pushing through though, and you just keep doing it and hope that something changes? Do I need to change something? It's so hard, I just don't know. I don't know, I guess that's everything I have to say about that. There's no happy resolution here to find. Right now, I don't think. Hopefully eventually. What's worse about it is that so much feels right. I feel right about the content that I'm making. I feel right about what I'm doing with the content. I feel right about how I'm promoting the content. I feel right about lots of things in my life. Like my personal life is going really well. It's just not working. And I don't know what to do with that information. Anyway, there you go. That's how I'm feeling. Status update. We do what we can, right? just got dressed and I'm about to head out to meet up with Tara. So I'll check in with you guys over there. Hey, for Jill? Yes, thank you. Trader Joe's, next stop on our adventure. Always a Trader Joe's stop.
No matter where we go, we find a Trader Joe's.
Yep. Picking out some cheeses for wine and cheese night. Yeah, how does that look?
Potentially good. Oh, they can get like a Parmesan.
Sounds delicious. I love parms. Okay, Tara and I picked up some stuff. I got some wine, Tara got some cheese. Love it. And now we are at the Grove because it was right next door. Walking through the farmer's market, trying to find our way. It's very confusing in here. But we just want to check out like the Christmas stuff at the Grove because we haven't seen it yet. Oh wait, come this way. Might have found it.
Christmas heaven.
So pretty, you can see the tree back there. Oh yeah, Topshop is still open? I don't know. Right? Very strange. Okay, let's go. This is so gorgeous. I am dying. So much Christmas. DED. I love it. Sweet holiday.
Very cute.
And I love these stars they put up. They're so pretty. Oh, I love the Santa in front of the tree. It's so cute.
Absolutely beautiful.
I love it. Like, hello. It's so cute. Lovely. We love Christmas in this house.
Yes, we do.
This is so gorgeous. I feel like I'm in like a fairy tale.
No, it's like eating right here.
Oh, so cute. I love that. This song too. Classic.
I feel like I'm in a Christmas.
I know. Pretty. Yes. Okay, we are back at Tara's now. We poured ourselves a glass of wine.
Naturally.
It's lovely. Oh, Christmas tree is blocking it, but very festive, Tara. Yeah. And we're just actually trying to get some work done because we just sat around and talked to that coffee shop. So
Ridiculous.
yeah, getting a little bit of work done before Shelby and Tasha come over because we're gonna drink wine and eat cheese together.
Hello, vlogs. We got my vlog here. We got Jill's vlog here. Wow, it's really interesting. My laundry's done. All right, so let me show you. Here's the cheese board we're gonna be using today. This side maybe is cuter. Yes. Got from Home Goods in case anyone's wondering. So cheese number one, we have brie with wild mushrooms. This is delicious. I highly recommend. If you have a Trader Joe's near you, pick this ish up. Oh, I'm very excited about all the cheeses. We also have Gouda. Thank you. I know I have a beautiful singing voice. Great. And then we have this Asiago cheese. I really don't know how this is going to taste, but it's fine. Actually, it smells very good. I feel like I need more things on here to decorate it with, but I don't have more things. You put crackers on it? Not yet. That is on the list. Also, the best crackers ever from Trader Joe's. Highly recommend the Fig and Olive Crisps. They're like the only ones that I get at Trader Joe's now, so so good. Oh no. And now everything's fine. I don't know how to make a cheese board cute. We're gonna bring it over though. Okay, Jill's taking over now.
It's fine, it came together. We had some olives on the way that can like fill in over here a little bit.
Oh,
it'll be
yeah.
fine. Cute.
I'm happy with it.
Same.
Intense.
Everyone is here now and we're trying these cheesy balls.
God.
Are they amazing? Yes?
What kind of cheese is that?
I saw
It's
like
mozzarella with like
cream cheese.
cream cheese.
Wow.
Yes.
Something familiar. I don't know what it is.
It's like a,
It's a mozzarella stick,
it's a mozzarella stick, but like
but creamier.
yeah. I like the creaminess of it.
It's very good.
Oh my god, I'm so excited we made this discovery together.
Wait, was this the whole box?
Yeah.
Oh man, they really cheap out. It's a bummer.
One serving.
Oh yeah.
Right? you get home.
I will eat this alone.
The whole thing would be gone. Waste.
Wow, that's so good.
Mini ice creams.
Shelby.
Yes, bringing the goods.
Look at these cuties.
And I'm like, I probably should.
Ooh, it's very cold. Yes, who cares?
Cheers.
Yes, cheers. Made it back home. Thank goodness, because I am tired.
Oh my god, Molly, you're freaking me out. Cut it out. Anyway, I have a lot of work to do tomorrow, so it's gonna be a big work day. Don't really know what exactly Vlogmasy I am doing. And now I'm just gonna put my pajamas on and go to bed. Thank you for watching today's Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow.
So